Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your business information with OpenCorporates detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your business information with OpenCorporates, begin by navigating to the OpenCorporates website. Once on the site, locate the search bar prominently featured at the top of the homepage. Enter your business name or registration number into the search bar and hit the search icon. Browse through the search results to find your business listing. Click on your business name to open the detailed page. Review the information displayed to ensure it matches your records. If the information is correct, look for the Verify This Data link or button. Click on the Verify link to initiate the verification process. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the instructions to set up your account by providing your email and creating a password. Once your account is created, log in to access the verification tools. Upon logging in, return to your business listing page. Click on the Verify This Data link again. You will be asked to provide supporting documentation to confirm your business details. Upload the necessary documents, such as your business registration certificate or other official papers. Make sure all files are clear and legible to ensure a smooth verification process. After uploading the documents, submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your submission. Now, wait for OpenCorporates to review your application. This process may take a few days, so be patient during the review period. Once your information is verified, you will receive a notification from OpenCorporates. Check back on your business listing to confirm that the verification status has been updated. Congratulations, your business information is now verified on OpenCorporates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.